customer has some earth to move. Maybe in China, maybe in North America. Nothing we haven't seen a few million times. But for that customer, the unique terrain, logistics, time frame, and government regulations all converge to create a whole new challenge. Fortunately, we're already working on it. Because Caterpillar has a global R&D footprint designed to bring innovation and technical expertise to customers everywhere, from the world's largest cities to emerging nations. Where there's manufacturing, there are validation engineers. Where there are unique customer requirements, there are product development experts. Where there are government regulations, there are regulatory specialists. We are executing a plan to employ our global resources to satisfy the demands of our customers, now and into the future. We are expanding our technical bench strength worldwide, growing the capabilities of our engineers in India and China by leveraging our strengths in the U.S., keeping our assets active around the clock and improving their efficiencies, increasing our research, design, and development capabilities globally to meet the specific needs of customers locally. Our R&D team is always working to keep Caterpillar one step ahead. So, that customer with the unique earth-moving problem, we saw it coming, and we're ready to solve it. It starts with listening. Researchers and their product group partners listen to and understand the customer, listen to and understand each other, scope designs that anticipate customer need, integrate technologies that deliver customer value, employ simulation and virtual tools that predict reliability, leveraging the knowledge we gain to prove our concepts, from components to systems to machines to work sites. Electronics teams in the U.S. collaborating with analysis engineers in India. Validation engineers in China evaluating engine designs with the UK 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, non-stop. We are executing a plan to work harder so that our customers can work harder. A plan to help them work smarter and go to the next level. 8,500 engineers, 500 advanced degrees, over 6,000 granted patents, 25 R&D facilities, $8 million every working day, all focused on the next big thing and that one small thing that changes everything. Caterpillar, we're already working on that.